Let me show you how to create 3D Instagram post in Photoshop. Add solid color adjustment layer and select a color you like. Open this Instagram post mockup file. Download the mockup file from the description below. Press Ctrl C to copy the post group. Press Ctrl V to paste. Press Ctrl T and adjust the sizes you like. Open your subject image. Go to Select and select Subject. Follow this process. Add a layer mask. Right-click and select Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl C to copy the image. Open the post group. Paste the image above the post photo subgroup. Press Ctrl T and adjust the size to your liking. Select Subject Image. Press and hold Ctrl and click on the photo layer icon. Add a layer mask to the subject image. Select the layer mask. Paint on the areas you want to pop out using a white brush like this. Add a new layer above the subject image. Press and hold Ctrl and click on the photo layer icon to get a selection of the inside of the post. Paint a shadow using a soft black brush. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Add a new layer and drag it below the subject image. Press and hold Ctrl and click on the post background layer icon to make a selection of the post background. Paint a shadow like this where the subject pops out. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.